It doesn't matter how good your video is. Let me repeat it. Your video quality alone doesn't decide your views anymore. You can spend hours scripting, editing, adding effects, and still get stuck hardly at a few hundred views. At the same time, an average video suddenly crosses millions. Why does this happen? Because YouTube doesn't push videos. People click thumbnails. Your thumbnails has less than 1 second to stop scroll. If it fails, your video is already dead. For more than 1 year, I have been obsessively testing more than 10 AI YouTube thumbnail generators. Some were worst with robotic styles and some were really powerful. But almost all of them needed heavy manual effort to create truly clickable viral thumbnails until I found one. This is the only tool I have used that creates viral style YouTube thumbnails in seconds with almost zero effort. You just put your video title, upload your face image, and boom, your thumbnail is ready. No design skills, no Photoshop, no headache. This is NeamX, an AI thumbnail generator built by creators for creators. Just enter your video title, upload your face, and boom. Viral style thumbnails in seconds. No manual design, simple text-based editing, one-click face enhancement, and perfect face integration every time. I am Saif from DigiExpert, and today I am breaking down NeamX step by step, how to use it and how to get maximum result from it. Check the link in the pinned comment and description to get the most out of it right now. So now let's talk about NeamX. So this is the website of NeamX. You can go through it to get all of the information about NeamX. So you can generate unique thumbnails and viral style thumbnails using NeamX. This is their core features. And the next feature is you can edit your existing thumbnails. Let's say you can change anything from your thumbnail using just simple text prompt using NeamX. You can see some of the demo here. Here is the before after situations. Before it was like this, and after the change it is now this. Before it was this, and after the change it is now this. So you can just change anything from your existing thumbnails using just simple text prompt. And the next feature is you can convert your ordinary or normal design into outstanding design using their magic enhance feature. So these are the core features on NeamX. And also they have another feature that is called keyword generator. You can find potential high opportunity YouTube keywords using NeamX. Just give the topic idea and it will give deep insight about the keyword. You can get idea how potential is the keyword for you to target for your next video. So these all are the core features of NeamX. You can go through and you can see their thumbnail styles. These are the thumbnail style. You can check them. They are displaying it into different types of niches. So these are the generated by NeamX. So you can check their community thumbnails where all of the thumbnails are generated by NeamX. Now let's check their pricing plan. I'm clicking here and it will land you to the pricing page, and currently they are offering 50% discount, and you can get their monthly plan, you can get their yearly plan, but for yearly plan you can get 50% discount. Basically they have three packages. First one is basic for occasional content creator, and second one is plus for serious content creator, and pro plan is for agency. And their packages have features variation. You can get all of the useful features on their plus plan and pro plan, but you will miss some important features in their basic plan. So for basic plan, if you activate their yearly plan, it will bill you $84 and you will get 240 credits per year, and you can generate up to 240 thumbnails. For their plus plan, it will bill you $288 yearly and you can get 840 credits and you can generate 840 thumbnails. For their agency plan, that is pro plan, it will bill you $888 and you will get 2640 credits and you can generate up to 2640 thumbnails. And if you need more, you can buy their extra plan and see their extra plans. But if you want to get their extra plan, you need to have their monthly subscription or yearly subscription first, and then you can activate their extra credits. So after login, it will land you to this page. This is NeamX dashboard where you will get all of the available options. You can generate new thumbnails here. You can edit your existing thumbnails and you can enhance your thumbnails, and you can find potential keywords from here. So these four options are available here in the left menu bar, and here is the export section where you will get all of the thumbnails generated by NeamX into different types of categories. And the next one is for you, where you will get all of your generated thumbnails using NeamX. So you will always get your generated thumbnails here in the My Media section, and here you will see your available credits and you can buy new credits from here. So now let's see how to generate a viral YouTube thumbnail using NeamX from just a video title. To generate a new thumbnail, I can just click here or I can click here. So I'm clicking here. So now here is the place to put your video title. So I'm placing my video title here. And if you need any text to must keep on your thumbnail, you can place it here, click here, and let's say I want to place viral YouTube thumbnails. I want to keep this text on my thumbnail. So I'm clicking here, text on thumbnail, yes, and I'm placing the custom text here. And here is the option, you can add your image. So I'm adding my face here, just uploading my face. And here is the option, I want to keep my face on my thumbnail, yes. And here is the style, you can select any of the style, or if you don't have particular choice, you can keep it blank. I am keeping it blank. And here is the option, you can select what types of thumbnail you can create. It is for long form content, it is for short form content, and it is for square thumbnails for social media. So I want to generate a thumbnail for my long form YouTube video content. So I'm selecting 16:9 dimension, and here is the available model. So I'm clicking to their latest model. This is their most advanced model. So I'm clicking here in the V3, and here is the option to give advanced instructions to the AI. Let's say you want to keep something. So I want to add Photoshop logo here. So give instruction, add Photoshop logo or something else. I'm keeping it blank. So now click generate button and it will cost your 4 credit from your account. I'm clicking here and wait and see how good it is. So it is showing me the progress bar, how much time it need to generate my thumbnail. So it is now 90% done, and wait a couple of seconds and done. Your thumbnail is ready. So now you can do a few things. Let's say you want to enhance it more. So you can click here to enhance your thumbnail. It will cost your 2 credits. And if you are okay with your thumbnail, you can just click here to download your thumbnail. And if you want to see it, so this is the thumbnail. So see how good is it. It is awesome. So now let's talk about other available features of NeamX. The next thing you can do using NeamX is you can edit your thumbnail. Edit thumbnail with words. Just you need to give text prompt and it will edit your full thumbnail. So let's see how it works. I'm clicking here, edit thumbnail, and now upload your thumbnail you want to edit. So I'm uploading it. Let's say I don't want this emoji in my thumbnail, so I can write it here. Here is an example. Add a neon glow. You can add something, or you can command it. Let's say make it more cinematic, or anything you want to edit your thumbnail. Just write on text and it will follow your command and give you the final output. Emoji from thumbnail. And there are 2 options available. The first is you can add any of your reference and you can even change your dimension. Let's say you want to get this thumbnail as a vertical thumbnail. You can click here 9:16 to get vertical thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. So I am now okay with its original size, no issue, and it will cost 1 credit. So I'm clicking here to make this change. Let's see how it works. You can add anything or remove anything from your thumbnail as per your demand. So see, the emoji is not in the correct version, and this way you can correct your thumbnail. And now you can also have this option, you can enhance your thumbnail. Just click here to enhance your thumbnail more, or if you want to download it, just click here to download. So now let's talk about how to enhance thumbnail using NeamX. It is very easy and simple. So next, enhance thumbnail. One click, fix enhance thumbnail. Just I'm clicking here and upload your thumbnail to enhance it, to make it more eye-catching. So I'm clicking here to upload my thumbnail. And let's say this is my existing thumbnail and I want to make it more eye-catching or more colorful using NeamX. I need to just click here in the enhance button and it will cost 2 credits. Just click here and see. So see, it is the enhanced version of my uploaded thumbnail. So my previous thumbnail was this and now the enhanced version is this. So in my opinion, my previous version was more attractive than the next one. These are all of the core features of NeamX. Let's jump into one of the hidden gem of NeamX. So now I will talk about SEO keyword research function, and you can find high potential keywords using NeamX, and it's completely free for everyone. I don't know how much time it will be free, but let's utilize this for now. Just click here. It will not charge any of your credit, and let's say I want to find keywords about how to design, let's say something in Canva. So here asterisk means something. It will find keywords like this format: how to design CV in Canva, or how to design social media post in Canva, how to design YouTube thumbnail in Canva, like this. Here you can find 10 keywords or you can find 30 keywords. I am selecting 30 keywords here, and you should also click include details matrix, because we need to get detail matrix so that we can make decision whether this keyword is perfect or not. So I'm clicking here in the generate button, and it will generate some of the amazing keyword for me with a lot of metrics. So let's see what happens. So it has find a lot of keywords for me. How to design logo in Canva. Its search volume is 12,000 and difficulty score is 35%, and its competition is medium. Its opportunity score is 70%, and it is rising in the Google trend. And you can just slide it here to get more data. And click potential is very high. Estimated click-through rate is 85%, and you can just copy the keyword from here. And one thing you should always remember, you should select the keywords which is high search volume with low competition and opportunity score is very high, and all of the things you can just consider is here opportunity score. If its opportunity score is large, then this types of keyword is gold mine for you. So this is a very amazing feature, and I always try to use this. But another thing I should also mention you that sometimes I see it always gives the first keyword 12,000 search volume. Maybe it is now there are bugs or anything, you can try it, but the keyword function is awesome, and I like, in fact, compared to other YouTube keyword research tool, I like most. Another thing is, in my opinion, if they enhance it more, let's say we can get a lot of keywords from here with all of the metrics, it will be another big thing for the content creator. So I hope they will improve it more in future. So that's all it. I have found thumbnails generated by NeamX is larger than YouTube supported thumbnail size. So let's say I am uploading the thumbnail here on my YouTube. It says that thumbnail size is more than 2 MB. So YouTube support 2 MB file size thumbnail, but the thumbnails generated by NeamX is larger than even 5 megabytes. So you need to compress or resize your thumbnail. So how you can resize your thumbnail? You can just go to Canva. It could be your pro account or it could be your free account. It doesn't matter. So click here in the template section and now search YouTube thumbnail, and click here, create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Now upload your thumbnail which is generated from NeamX. So I'm uploading my thumbnail here, just uploading it. So current size of the thumbnail is 6.38, so I need to resize it. It should be less than 2 megabyte, so I need to resize it, and I'm uploading it into Canva. And once your upload is done, you just need to click it and it will be available in your canvas. So now just right click and click set image background, and your thumbnail is ready. Now just click here in the share button. Now click download section and now select the thumbnail as PNG and now click download button. Once thumbnail is downloaded, you can now try again to upload your compressed version. So this is the version. See, it has been uploaded into YouTube. So this is one of the negative side I have found so far using NeamX. If you are serious about getting more clicks and more views, don't ignore your thumbnails anymore. Try this tool yourself, experiment with it, and see the difference on your next upload. The link is waiting in the pinned comment and description. Subscribe for more creator secrets like this, and I will see you in the next video.